buhok at nangingitim na kilikili? I got you! Hey birdies, today I visited the newest branch of Light Laser here in Manila to have my IPL treatment or permanent hair removal done. I'm with my friend Pat na nauna na nga magpa-treatment dahil problem din niya ang pagiging mabalbon. Upon checking sa kanilang services, they also offer Brazilian or procedure kung saan i-laser din yung frontal private area, which is perfect if you are planning to visit beach and wear revealing clothes para diba walang sisilip-silip. But for now, parang hindi ko pa carry kaya naman peklat muna sa legs which I got from boiling water and ang aking underarms na hindi ko malaman-laman bakit nangingitim. Pain should be less of your worries dahil very minimal lang talaga, almost wala nga. You may go here and shave, they can do it for you, pero kung nagmamadali ka and you wanna go straight sa mismong procedure, I suggest to shave it on your own before going here. Gumagamit sila ng laser to lighten dark patches, improve skin texture, and remove unwanted hair. If you're wondering how it works, it directly targets root of our hair, kaya naman after ilang session, panipis na ng panipis ang tubo nito hanggang sa totally hindi na ito tutubo. You can say goodbye to waxing and shaving forever. Honestly, hindi pa ako totally nag-expect dahil I know it will take few sessions to see drastic result, but after just one session, I can see minimal improvement with the texture and color. O diba, paano pag natapos ko pa ang ilang sessions? If body hair and skin discoloration are your top insecurities, Light Laser can help you.